Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a very easy, simple to make breakfast recipe which you can prep it one day in advance. It is called chia seed pudding. Here I have taken 8 tablespoons of rolled oats, 4 tablespoons of chia seeds and 8 tablespoons of milk. And we are going to mix everything all together and keep it overnight in the refrigerator, and then we'll add other things next day morning. So I'm going to mix everything all together, and if there is less milk then you can add more milk. I have kept some spare milk outside. It's about 1/3 of a cup, and I'm going to mix it. So as you see, consistency is like this. Now I'm mixing it thoroughly and going to close airtight lid and then keep it overnight in the refrigerator. So I have taken this nuts powder. Usually I have it handy in my home. I just roast some almond, walnut and makhana, which is foxnut seed, and just blend it in the blender. Just crush it, and it will be ready to use in any recipe whenever you want to add. So my kids are a little fussy about eating nuts, so I'm just keeping this powder, and I usually mix it with my chia seed pudding, so nobody can identify it. It seems little dry, mixture seems little dry, so I'm just adding some more milk into it. And I have taken 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds. My kids does not like to eat, so I'm just mixing it in the pudding before they come and see it. And then we will divide this mixture into 3 separate pot, because I want to add flavor. I have some mango pulp here, and I have some ruafza, which you can get it in the Indian store. This is very refreshing and good for summer, and it gives color and flavor to the pudding, which is so much fun to eat for kids. So okay, here it is ready. I'm going to add some color and flavor. Okay, so this one I'm keeping it plain and simple, and here I'm going to add few spoons of this mango pulp. I got this mango pulp from the grocery store, but you can make it at home as well. For that you have to just blend a mango into a blender, and the mango pulp and mango puree will be ready. So just mix it well into this part. I think we can add some more mango pulp in here. So we'll just mix it all together, and it gives a very beautiful color, yellow color, and kids will have fun in eating these kind of colorful things. Okay, this is ready, and here we are going to mix some ruafza. It will give a very beautiful pink color to the mixture. And I have not added any sugar into this mixture, because we like to eat it plain. But this mango pulp, mango puree, and this ruafza contains some sugar. But if you are totally avoiding sugar, you can make this mango puree at home. Now what we'll do, we'll put these mixture into the serving pot, and then we'll just add these fruit toppings on top. These are some cut, peeled and cubed apple, red apple. This is one whole banana, and this is one whole mango. And here I have some mixed berry, strawberry, blueberry and blackberry, and we are going to use it. So I don't have these fresh ones, so I have taken the frozen. I usually have frozen berries at home in refrigerator all the time, so I'm just using it. So now we are going to make this ready for the serving. So let's put some banana. You can stick banana on the side, it will give a very beautiful design when you look it from the outside. You can add as much fruits your family likes, and you can get fruits from outside, whatever your family likes. My kids are a little fussy about eating, so I just try to put as much fruits I can in this chia seed pudding, and they usually have it. They don't realize and they just eat. Here, now we are going to add some more fruits. And top it again. You can make as many layers as much you want to eat, and it is really delicious. Just decorate with some fresh fruit. Let's make another one. Here I'm going to keep it multi-layer. I'm adding some plain, in which we have not added any flavor. Then I'm going to add some, let's put some more. And let's add some fruits. And let's make our last one. Okay. Let's add some ruafza one. Put some layer of fruit in between. And then add again. Put the fruits again on top. And some berries. You can mix and match the fruits and the color of the pudding. If you have kids at home who likes chocolate, then you can add cocoa powder in one of the mixture. Just drizzle it on top. And here my chia seed oats pudding is ready, which is loaded with lots of fruits.